Yo, what up guys, DJY is back again with another episode. In today's video, I want to show you Big Boy linked up with Curtis and Jackson at his new move premiere with the title Moses the Black. Check this out. So guys, as you see, legendary 50 Cent continues working hard in movie industry. This is another big success by Curtis Jackson, man. This is highly appreciated. This is why I'm always saying that Curtis is unstoppable, man. He's untouchable, man. He have his own league, man. This is your facts, period. Now guys, let's say congratulations to Curtis Jackson. This is another big and major move in movie industry by Curtis and Jackson. Also, 50 collected so many talented, young, old, legendary artists, starring also legendary Omar, Epps, Quevo, Khalifa, and many more. So you must watch this movie, man. Period. Also, guys, before I will finish the video, I want to tell you that we have upcoming interview with legendary comedian Franz Cassius. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptv.com. Peace.